Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 29th of November 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty December future and Nifty December future. Before moving ahead, I'd also like to tell you that I have cough and that is the reason why my voice is slightly off today. Okay, so don't think that I have changed my voice or I'm trying a new accent. It's nothing like that. I just have a cough. Okay, cool. So before moving ahead, I'd like to tell you that whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view, and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, so today is 29th of November and we are on the December future contract. Okay, we are in Nifty and we're close to all-time high trading days. Okay, so the previous closing year was at 18,694. The open was at 18,692. The low was created at 18,670, while the high was at 18,797. Okay, if we come back to Nifty December future on a 3 minutes time frame, we can see over here. Let me take out this. Okay, cool. We have 3 minutes time frame and the market opened today at approximately this point, which is 18,690. Each level went down to the bottom at 18,678, while the took it a great strong support, and then from here taking a great support at the 200-day moving average as well, and then the market started to move to the upwards, closed above the resistance number 1 in the first 3 minutes itself. From there, approximately at 11 o'clock, it touched the resistance number 2. The distance between it was 18,720 to 18,770, which is approximately 50 points. If you were an option buyer, you could have easily captured 20 points for each lot. 20 points capturing into 50 is closely 1,000 rupees, which is really a good risk to reward ratio. All right, so the market moved here and then the market moved sideways. Once the Bank Nifty broke down at the bottoms level, the market started to fall below the 200-day moving average, and then the Nifty managed to close at 18,731. If I go on a 15 minutes time frame with the 200-day moving average, it still has approximately 230 points distance to travel to the south side, and in 30 minutes it's approximately 300 points it has to travel in order to close below the 200-day moving average. As of now, approximately from 19th of October, it has been trading below above the traded 200-day moving average. Only one from 21 November till 23 November, it was trading below the 200-day moving average. If not, it has just taken at above. Okay, once it starts to come in this zone, which is 23,000, we can see a good momentum to be happening around over here. Okay, cool. Now let us move to the Bank Nifty. And if we come back to the Bank Nifty, the previous closing was at 43,275, while the open was at 43,250. Low was created at 43,250, while the high was at 43,492. Okay, if we come back on our chart of a 3 minutes time frame, let us switch to 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so let us move to the 3 minutes time frame, and then we can see over here the market opened straight to the bottom, 43,200. No here and there talking, straight up, took a great support, and then straight up to crash. It just like snatched just wide open the 200-day moving average, and then managed to close the first candle itself from 43,200 till 43,350. 150 points rally in just one candle of 3 minutes. 150 divided by 2, which is 75. Let us take it as 65 points in just first 3 minutes. This is what you could have made today. 1625 rupees or 1625 points per lot, and it is a great return risk to reward ratio if you could have seen this coming in. But definitely I did see. Okay, but I just don't want to say that. Okay, but that's what I'm telling. That's why I'm giving you a quick math over here. From the resistance number 1, the market went up till 43,410. From there the market went on a little bit sideways and then stayed in the range up until 221, and after touching at 43,400 and change, the market started to fall below, take a great support at 43,000 where it exactly opened or a little bit lower, and then the market managed to close at 43,300. We may expect a good little bit bearish sign tomorrow, because that's what I am expecting, looking at the trend or looking at how the market has been fallen in the last half an hour, because there has been a lot of selling, a lot of profit booking will also definitely be seen, while the big people like FIIs and institutional investors, they will be definitely booking profit, and retail investors will definitely see to buy here and then get stuck for the next another year, because I see no reason anymore. The Christmas is coming closer. Once the Christmas is done, we may see a good good start to the downtrend. Yeah. So well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in tomorrow's episode, and I hope that I have covered whatever you were thinking of how the market has been performed today. All right. Thank you so much. Hope my coughs gets down by tomorrow. See you.